Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the blade depth on this Ryobi Octane 7¼ inch blade, battery powered saw. And basically you set the level of the blade with this, but you may notice that you don't have enough tightening space before this hits the bottom shoe, and I'm going to show you how to change that. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is a T20 screwdriver. All right, T20 screwdriver. And what we're going to do is we're going to unloosen this screw. Now that's a screw with a spring underneath, so what I'm going to have to do is, let's see if I can do this and lay the camera here at an angle. All right, so what we're going to do is take the screw out, okay? And what we can do is just hold it in place, lift it, and bring it up a notch. And now put the screw back in. Okay. Tighten it decent. And now you have more room to tighten it. See? Instead of it hitting the bottom shoe or plate. All right, there you go. So if this helped you out, appreciate it. Hit the like. Thanks a bunch.